Welcome back. Now, Karooooo boasts a 16% rise in third quarter total revenue, while net subscribers for the year grew by 25%. The Cartrack owner largely attributes the growth to its operations cloud. Cartrack, in the meantime, delivered a record operating profit during the period. Company CEO Zach Liso joins us for a closer assessment of the performance. Zach, thank you so much for your time today.
Thank you. Good afternoon.
Fantastic. Zach, it looks like it's been a bumper period for Karooooo. All key metrics in the green. Just speak to us about how you're taking stock of this 3-month period.
We've had a very good quarter. Our earnings per share is up 35%, and that is after we announced that we would no longer be buying second-hand vehicles for Karooooo. And we announced this in the release of our half-year results. In the third quarter, we took quite a lot of provisions, and still after all those provisions, we still up 35%. Our core business, which is Cartrack, we continue to see very strong subscription revenue and customer acquisition, and I think we're positioned well to continue to grow.
Okay, let's also speak about Karooooo Logistics here and that last mile delivery business. Keen to get more insights on that and how it has delivered to this robust performance.
So, since we acquired 70% of the business has gone from doing 3 million rand a month to approximately 30 million. So it's 10 times fold the business. So the business continues to grow, and we believe it's still got a very long way to grow, and we're busy cementing ourselves in the South African market. We want to get that right before we expand anywhere else.
Also, keen to talk on Karooooo. You mentioned it just now, Zach. Let's talk about the changes made there, but also how that does reflect in this set of numbers.
So we've made quite a lot of provisions, and in this quarter, so it's affected our earnings per share negatively 75 cents in this quarter. Hopefully, in the next quarter, we won't get that 75 cents, it's negative 75 cents. So hopefully, we're going to see a very sharp rise in earnings per share by Q4.
Also keen to talk about your presence in Southeast Asia as well as Europe, being diversified, not really focused only on South Africa. How is that benefiting you right now? And I'm wondering if those territories are places of more growth, where you are expecting to see more growth than you would here at home.
So, we're still seeing very strong growth coming through in South Africa, but clearly where we're seeing the real growth coming through now is in Asia and in Europe second. So South Africa is going to be traditionally our fastest growing segment to now Asia is first, then it's Europe, and then it's South Africa. The growth and our presence in this region not only allows us to continue to grow our business sustainably, but it also brings a lot of insights that we obviously transfer to South Africa. And I think that the fact that we're actually on the ground in 23 countries allows us to bring information over the borders to different countries, and it allows us to leverage and to win on the ground and to drive more value for our customers.
Zach, before I let you go, I'm actually keen to get a little bit more on that issue of insights and using data, but also research, development, all of that, the investment in that to really improve on your product and on your offering there. How much are you investing in this? And is this what you believe to also be Karooooo's, reason for the competitive advantage that you're enjoying at this point?
So we currently spend about 6% of our revenue on R&D. I think that's a very healthy spend. But like I say to many people, it's not how much you spend, but it's how much value you drive from your developers. And we're improving on that, and I think we're getting more and more value for our money from our developers. And then obviously it's taking the knowledge that you get from different markets and being able to transfer that knowledge into other markets by improving your platform so that all your customers can get value and derive more value from your platform.
Well, Zach, it's been a pleasure hearing from you. Thank you so much for unpacking this set of numbers for us. And that was Karooooo CEO, Zach Callisto.